Why does your scanner show the P0330 engine code? What does it mean? P0330 is a diagnostic trouble code for knock sensor 2, circuit malfunction, bank 2. The P0330 engine code for indicate your vehicle's computer, PCM or ECM, has detected a malfunction, implausible signal, or complete loss of connection from the second knock sensor. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: failed knock sensor, damaged or corroded wiring, oil or fluid contamination, loose or improperly installed, actual engine knocking issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Lexus, Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.